Hey, what's up, scrappers? So in this video what we're going to do is do a teardown on a Technics synthesizer. So it's a synthesizer stereo tuner. So yeah, I ain't got a clue what's inside this. It's quite old. The cord's been cut off it, so yeah, just going to scrap it out, see what's inside it. Not really much weight to it, so yeah, let's find out what's inside. So guys, after taking the casing off, this is all that's inside. So next to nothing really. So yeah, it's not really worth the hassle of even taking it apart really. It's going to be a super low value board, tiny bit of cable, got a little transformer in there, or a little motor. Yeah, so it's not going to be worth much at all. Right guys, so yeah, done a tear down. Not much value whatsoever, to be honest. So yeah, it's steel. It's only 1.5 kilos, so that's worth 18 pence for the tiny bit of steel. Tiny bit of cable, so it's just low grade cable, so that's just worth 3 pence. Then we got our motor, so that's worth 23 pence a kilo because it's just low grade, so it's just worth 4 pence. And the really low grade motors, really low grade boards, so yeah, as you can see, really low grade, so at 15 pence a kilo, that's worth 3 pence. So yeah, not much value at all. So that unit as a scrap value is worth 28 pence. So in Europe 31 cents, America 37 cents, Australia 47 cents, and Canada 46 cents. So it took me about 2 minutes to whip it apart. It was really easy. So if you can do 30 of these in an hour, you're looking at £8.40 in the UK. €9 38 cents an hour in Europe, America $11.13, Australia $14.21, and Canada $13.85 an hour. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not really good value at all. There's no way you're going to get 30 of these to scrap out in an hour, so as a scrap value of 28 pence, not worth the hassle. Right guys, hopefully this will help you out, and like always, keep scrapping.